Today we'll talk about how can you enable HD image quality on your Meitu app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down, click here on me down here. When just click here on me, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do, just click here on general, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings, click on it. When just click here on settings, it's going to take you to this list here. Come here to save settings. Sorry, you come here to HD image quality here. Click in this sign. That like you say this color show for us, that's mean HD image quality enable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.